Ever found yourself staring at your screen, wallet in hand, ready to dive into the world of cryptocurrency, only to pause and wonder, just how long will it take for my ELLIPAL Titan to actually arrive? You're not alone. That little pang of anticipation, that eagerness to secure your digital assets offline, is something every crypto enthusiast experiences. We get it. In the fast-paced world of crypto, time is often of the essence. Whether you're reacting to market fluctuations or simply wanting the peace of mind that comes with cold storage, knowing the shipping timeline for your hardware wallet is crucial. So, let's unpack the factors that influence how quickly your ELLIPAL makes its way to your doorstep. First and foremost, where in the world are you located? Just like any international shipment, the distance between ELLIPAL's shipping origin and your address plays a significant role. Someone in North America might experience a different transit time than someone in Europe or Asia. Think of it like ordering anything online. The further it has to travel, the longer it's likely to take. Next up, shipping options. ELLIPAL typically offers various shipping methods, ranging from standard postal services to expedited courier options. Choosing a faster, albeit potentially more expensive, option will naturally shorten your waiting time. Consider your urgency and budget when selecting your preferred shipping method at checkout. Now, let's talk about processing times. Once you've placed your order, ELLIPAL's team needs time to process it. This involves verifying your payment, preparing your device for shipment, and generating the necessary shipping labels. While ELLIPAL strives for efficiency, processing times can vary depending on order volume and any specific requirements for your order. Keep an eye out for any communication from ELLIPAL regarding your order status, as this will give you the most up-to-date information. External factors beyond ELLIPAL's direct control can also influence shipping times. Customs clearance in your country is a key element. Depending on your local regulations, your package might need to go through inspection, which can sometimes add a few extra days to the transit time. Public holidays, both in the shipping origin country and your destination country, can also cause delays as postal and courier services often operate on a reduced schedule. Similarly, unforeseen events like extreme weather conditions or global logistical challenges can impact delivery timelines. To get a more precise idea of the shipping time frame for your specific situation, the best course of action is always to refer to the shipping information provided by ELLIPAL during the checkout process and in your order confirmation email. This information usually includes estimated delivery times based on your selected shipping method and destination. Tracking your package, if that option is available, will also provide real-time updates on its journey. While we can't give you an exact, one-size-fits-all answer, understanding these influencing factors can help you manage your expectations. Remember to factor in processing times, the chosen shipping method, your location, and potential external delays. Keeping an eye on your tracking information and any updates from ELLIPAL will be your best guide. With that said, thanks for watching, and until next time.